Selukubus engithi ngiselukuma lengoma nyavuma na nyavuma na anginizwa egiri kupothosa volume yadumela na nyavuma na woza 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 balaza babize bonke babize bonke babize bonke bazobona senta balaza 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 ayala kiyo balaza Ngawaring zokseta ngawaring zokseta usawara kauseta mame I'll bet you to you 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 ngawaring zokseta usawara kauseta mame I'll bet you to you 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 ngawaring zokseta usawara kauseta mame
Tuso Pala, thank you very much to DJ Cleo and DJ Bugs and Lapana Bizizi. They gave us the song titled Tuso Pala. Tuso Pala is the former Mamelodi Sundowns, Platinum Stars, Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Did I mention former Super Sport? Yes, he was a key player of Super Sport. And at some stage, I got to have a privilege to interview the guy, and he told me that in that interview that when SuperSport approached him, they told him that, hey, Palaza, come to SuperSport. Wow. We're gonna build a SuperSport around you. And then, oh boy, did Tusopala accepted that responsibility. He went on and blossomed Lapana Gomatanza Apidor, and he did pretty well go Pidori as he turned up for SuperSport United, and surely the whole SuperSport United was built around him. He was definitely the face of SuperSport United. That is Tusopala, who also did the business for Bafana. Yes. That is South Africa's senior men's team. And you must know that you are very, very good. If one of the big artists in the form and shape of about DJ Cleo, go on and make a song about you and have the song dedicated to you. And Utusopala is one of those players who got to enjoy that. We saw about the likes of Temkosi Lodge. We saw Okabza the Smaller doing the song about Temkosi Lodge and about Steve Leguilea back in the days. But Tusopala, he enjoyed this song by DJ Cleo. And like I said, surely Unja Ehulu, if for these big artists, they go and make the song about you.
Yeah, that's quality. So I was so impressed. I didn't know that there's a house song that is involved with his name. So
yes,
and as you can see, it can rock the especially the fans who likes those clapping and clapping.
And his signature dance, just had to laugh. Tusopala's signature dance. I don't know how.
Very fun.
I mean,
very creative.
Very creative, especially looking at Tusopala's board. You do not expect him to dance,
and to be flexible.
To be flexible, because he looks like some kind of umzimbo.
Yeah.
But surprise, Tusopala, the moment he pulls on that, I don't know how. My dance moves are
sometimes
very.
They even rolls on the floor.
I don't know how we went about it. Something like this. Only Tusopala knew how to pull that dance. And that is DJ Cleo, who made that dedicating a song to a tribute song rather to Thuso Phala. Talking of Thuso Phala, maybe in case you are wondering what is he up to these days, I believe he is doing a business for Dihlake Masters. They are very, very active. I've been following them on social media. They are a very, very star-studded side. That is the Dihlake Masters. Most of the former Bafana players, they are in that team. The likes of Abo Innocent Mdlele, they are there. Abo Old John Mabizela, they're in there. Of Vio Mary, Shakes Ngwenya, Tabiso Ramile, Ninja Mofokeng, obviously Naya they're all there. Yeah, about Ruben Bakona Lapana, Clifford Ngobeni, he's also there in the middle of the park. It is a very, very star-studded side. That is the Dihlake Masters. In case you wanted to get a chance to watch Dihlake Masters, come next weekend, the 25th of April, you can get to watch them here in Johannesburg, where Gauteng will take on Limpopo, where at Rand Water football grounds. That's the first game gets underway come at 12 o'clock, where we'll get to see the home side Rand Water Masters. They take on Lephalale City Masters. Obviously, they are from Limpopo. And the Rand Water Masters, obviously, they are from Gauteng. And then in the second game, that is at 2 p.m., we get to see Dihlake Masters take on Bembe Masters. That's a big encounter indeed. Surely, looking at these top 4 teams, it is a no-brainer that it is Gauteng versus Limpopo, with Rand Water Masters getting the things underway at 12 p.m. as they take on Lephalale City Masters, and Dihlake Masters at 2 p.m. doing business against Bembe Masters. And then the final is scheduled to get underway come at 6 p.m. The big question is, who will it be? Will it be the Gauteng teams, Rand Water versus Dihlake Masters in that 6 p.m. final, or will it be a mix of Gauteng versus Limpopo in the final yet again? So if you are around Gauteng, so make your way to Rand Water soccer grounds and get to see those Masters doing a business about Thuso Phala. Surely, if he gets to score, surely you'll get to see Thuso Phala performing their Thuso Phala dance challenge. I can tell you free of charge, he has not lost anything in as far as his dance moves are concerned. That is Phalaza or Laza, if you will. So that's how things stand in as far as the legends or Masters football is concerned. It is all taking center stage at Rand Water Soccer Grounds, 25th of April this month, 2026. Games getting underway come 12 p.m. Now, moving away from Masters football and dive straight to netball. That is a South African netball in the form and shape of Telkom Netball League, which is making a return for 2026 season. And we are told that Power Week 1 is heading to KwaZulu-Natal, eThekwini Gagasini Kwelika Banana. Durban University of Technology is tipped. It is not tipped, it is guaranteed and confirmed to be the venue. That's where Power Week 1 will get underway in Durban University of Technology.
At the Steve Biko campus, this is where Durban University of Technology, the action will be packed. Power Week 1, where I even saw some of the fixtures like Tornadoes will host the Lilies, Chukuru up against the Diamonds, Sunbirds up against Sonoblom, King of Kings welcoming Malawi under 21, and then there's the Golden Fireballs, the defending champions, up against the Comets, not forgetting the Crinums up against the Alus. So those are Power Week 1. So the Power Week 2, obviously, as the usual venue, the Ellis Park Sports Arena. This is where we'll see more fixtures as well, plenty. So hopefully the coach will definitely, our Proteas coach, Jennifer Dick, will definitely be that side to watch some talents, because also our very own Spa Proteas are preparing for the upcoming Commonwealth Games. They are preparing for the World Cup. I think for both of them will be hosted by Australia, if my memory serves me well. So we need to do well, and the ladies as well need to perform. Golden Fireballs, can they defend the title? Or the Crinums this time around will be saying we need to give them a run for their money. There's a lot of action taking place from the 24th of April until the 15th of June. This is where the action packed, and by Power Week 3 will definitely be told as the time goes, especially after Ellis Park Sports Arena action has taken place. So a lot to play for. Let's see come the 24th of April during Power Week 1. It's going to be an interesting one. Telkom Netball League is here.
Oh yes, the Telkom Netball League has definitely made the return this season 2026. It gets underway down in KwaZulu-Natal, Kwelka Banana. And don't forget, yet again, that's coming next weekend, the 25th of April. It is the Randwater Top 4 tournament. The home side, Randwater, gets things underway against the Lee Palala City Masters with the Flag Masters versus Bembe Masters. The Flag Masters boasting most Bafana players. Did I mention Lerato Shabangu?
All you need is laugh.
He's also part of the Flag Masters. So surely, if you make your way to Goswart Copies, I believe that's what Randwater Soccer Ground is based. Goswart Copies. That's why it will be taking the center stage the 25th of April coming next weekend. So you'll get to see the former, most of the former Bafana players, or Ruben or Jemba. There will be even though Dan Simake, he's also a part of the team. Like I said, the Flag Masters is a very star-studded side. Let's quickly go for a breather. When we come back, we'll be wrapping things up by looking at what's happening in as far as tennis is concerned.
Ever heard a baby bellow at the top of